Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can get free shipping on Alibaba. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. Now first thing you need to do, guys, you want to search for the product that you want to purchase on Alibaba in the top. So I'm going to search, for example, for makeup products. And as you can see here, guys, you will find a lot of products here to choose from. But the first thing you need to do, guys, to get free shipping, even though I don't like this word of free shipping, because at the end of the day you are going to pay for the shipping. Even if you can see, if you see they're like free shipping, they just include the price of the shipping in the product, in the price of the product, if that makes sense. So that's exactly, guys, what they do. Now as you can see, this one offers free shipping, as you can see, but this $1.60, they include the price of the shipping in this $1.60. Of course, like, the prices on Alibaba are much cheaper than other let's say e-commerce websites like AliExpress, even though like Alibaba owns AliExpress. But on AliExpress, most of the time these people are just like purchasing large quantities from Alibaba, and they are selling them on AliExpress like piece by piece. Okay, they sell like pieces, and on Alibaba they sell like they focus more on large quantities. That doesn't mean you cannot buy a single product on Alibaba. Just follow these simple steps and you will be able to buy a single item or two products or as many products as you want with free shipping. Okay, just follow these simple steps. Now I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this tutorial. That would be highly appreciated, and let's get started right now. Now after you search for the product that you want to purchase, I want to scroll down a little bit and click here. It says delivery by. Okay, here as you can see, delivery by, you want to choose the first option here. As you can see, in my case it's delivery by January. As you can see, you want to go with the first one. Okay, so after you do that, then you want to scroll down again, and here you can choose the minimum order amount. Now if you want to buy, for example, a single product, you just need to enter your one. But if you want to buy 10 products, you want to enter 10 products. Now in my case, I only want to buy one product. Now after that, you want to click on OK. Okay, so in the next page, guys, what you guys need to do, you want to scroll down. Okay, and now find a supplier that offers free shipping. Now as you can see, let's check if this seller offers free shipping or not. I'm going to click on their or the product, and I'm going to scroll down, and let me check if this seller offers like free shipping. Okay, I'm going to scroll down a little bit. Okay, so this seller doesn't offer free shipping because it doesn't say here free shipping. Okay, so as you can see, the shipping here is going to cost, let me check. Yeah, the shipping total here is $50, which is too much. Like these suppliers, they don't even know they are charging this much for shipping for like a product that costs less than $1. But just follow the steps. I'm going to show you guys how you can get free shipping right now. Now you want to scroll down a little bit, keep scrolling, and until you find someone that offers free shipping. Okay, so just keep scrolling. Now this guy or this seller offers free shipping. If you can see here, guys, Alibaba guaranteed, and you can see here in the top free shipping. I'm going to click on it. Okay, now, and I'm going to scroll down, and as you can see, this guy offers free shipping, as you can see, and also it's premium shipping. Like they are going to ship these products way faster than others, like competitors, and they offer free shipping. As you can see, the shipping is free. Okay, so this guy, for example, offers free shipping. That doesn't mean all suppliers on Alibaba offer free shipping. Okay, so but I believe, like, at the end of the day, you are paying for the shipping. Okay, because they include the price of the shipping in the product, in the price of the product. As you can see, like it's cheaper. I understand that, but you know, that's exactly how, like, it doesn't really cost them that much to make these items, guys, in China. Like the items are very cheap in China, less than this. Okay, so if you have like a friend in China, they can get this product less than 30 cents. Okay, I had a friend who, like, I worked with, like, these items literally cost nothing. Okay, so the only thing that really adds to the cost is the shipping price. Okay, in this case, as you can see, it's free. The shipping price is free. Like some Alibaba like suppliers, they do this trick they offer free shipping on these products so that they can get more feedback. Okay, if that makes sense. Okay, so after that, you want to just that's exactly the method. Okay, as you can see, this guy it says here $20 of shipping, so it means he is charging for shipping. Just search for suppliers that offer free shipping. You will find like free shipping next to the order. Okay, as you can see, this one again offers free shipping, as you can see. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how you can do this. Now if you cannot find the product that you want with free shipping, in my case, as you can see, it's free, but if you cannot find that, you want to contact the supplier. Okay, contact them, click on this icon here, this contact icon, and contact the supplier and explain to them how if there is like the cheapest shipping method or a special shipping method for you. They will try their best to help you. Okay, they will try their best, or you can also tell them to reduce the price. If the price is like $50, you just need to tell them your country, and then you will be able to reduce the price to like $2 or $3. Just contact them and they will be able to help you. They will be happy actually to help you guys get free shipping on the products. Okay, so I would like highly appreciate if you have any to drop a comment below. If you have any questions, you don't understand anything, I reply to every single comment. Just go to the comments below and I will reply to you guys within a few minutes. I am always online. Just go to the comments below and tell me, guys, what your questions are. I will reply to you guys within a few minutes. Drop a like and see you guys in the next video.